In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Mozilla Thunderbird. First, let's open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. You will see the familiar email interface where you manage your messages, contacts, and settings. Opening the application is the first step toward personalizing your experience. It allows you to navigate through the numerous features Thunderbird has to offer. Once you see your inbox loaded with emails, you will know you are ready to proceed. This is your base of operations, and from here, we will customize the look and feel of Thunderbird to suit your preferences. Next, click the Menu button, which is represented by three horizontal lines located in the upper right corner of the window. This button is often referred to as the hamburger menu. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various options that control different aspects of the application. This menu is crucial because it provides access to essential features and settings that you will use frequently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it plays a significant role in navigating Thunderbird. From there, select Add-ons and Themes from the drop-down menu. This action will lead you directly to a page where you can manage all your extensions and themes. It is important because this is where you can add new functionalities and customize the visual aspects of Thunderbird. Once you click this option, you will be greeted with a new interface that showcases the available add-ons and themes. You can explore various options to enhance your Thunderbird experience, making it more enjoyable and tailored to your style. Now, click on Themes in the left sidebar. This section is dedicated solely to managing the visual themes of Thunderbird. You will see different options available for you to choose from. This is a significant step because changing themes can dramatically alter the look and feel of your email client. The right theme can make your experience more pleasant, so take your time to browse through the available themes. Choose one of the built-in themes such as Light, Dark, or System, and click Enable. Each of these themes offers a different aesthetic, allowing you to select one that suits your mood or the lighting of your environment. The Light theme offers a bright, clean look, while the Dark theme is easier on the eyes in low light conditions. The System theme adapts to your operating system settings. This action is important because it allows you to quickly change the overall appearance of Thunderbird, enhancing your user experience. If you want to install additional themes, click Choose from thousands of themes at the top of the page and browse the available options. You will be directed to an extensive library of themes created by the Thunderbird community. This is an exciting opportunity to personalize Thunderbird further. With thousands of themes available, you can find something that truly reflects your style. As you browse, remember that each theme offers a unique take on the Thunderbird interface, so explore freely until you find one that resonates with you. If you have multiple themes installed, you can switch between them at any time from the Themes page by selecting the theme and clicking Enable. This flexibility allows you to change your interface effortlessly based on your preferences or mood. You can easily experiment with different looks until you find the perfect match for your needs. This is particularly useful if you like changing themes for different seasons or occasions. You can also remove themes you no longer want by clicking Remove. This option helps you keep your themes organized and ensures that you only have the themes you love at your fingertips. Removing unused themes can streamline your selection process, making it easier to navigate through your choices. With that ready, you will have a personalized and enjoyable experience in Mozilla Thunderbird. Enjoy customizing your email experience.